Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry, and today is October 17 on Thursday, and the time is 3 o'clock AM GMT approximately. And today we will be updating the chart of the BAC. This is Bank of America, 45 minutes chart here. We can see right here this pullback here to $27.20 ended with 2, and the stock since has already extended higher, right? So that means we are now currently within the wave 3 in the blue, okay? And you can see we are in a 5 ways up, 1 2 3 4 5, which will end with 1 of 3, right? This is with 1 of 3, with 2 of 3, and then with 3 of 3. So we got a bullish sequence stem here. Right side is a green stem, which means we do not like selling, because the right side is higher, right? You can see right here we prefer to trade only in the direction of the green or red right side tags. This is the green right side tag going up, so we prefer to trade in the direction of that tag at the blue box. The blue box is not yet appearing right now, and we don't recommend trading turning up or down arrow. Turning up and down usually is a black color, in this case is green, right? Or against the direction of the right side tag. So against the direction is something like this, is against the direction because the direction is up, so we do not like trading in the against the direction, okay, of the right side tag. So we do continue to see further upside in the Bank of America. So any pullback, if we can see one, is going to continue to find support. It's going to continue to find buyers, okay, in the sequence of 3 7 11 swing. This is the three-way zigzag here, as far as we stay above $27.20 here, okay. Looking at the larger degree, this is the daily chart, okay. And again, the full count for all time frames is available inside the member area. You can always try our service. We have 14 days free trial, okay. If we take a look here on the daily, we can see in this daily chart here, you got from August 27, and you have also here December 21st 2018. Now BAC has started to extend higher here, as you can see. Now again, this is a 1 2 3. This is your wave 2 here. Now I mean, obviously it can be an ABC or 1 2 3, but that doesn't matter, right? It doesn't matter whether it's an ABC or 1 2 3, because we already extend higher even in an ABC, which is the more sort of conservative view, right? Even in an ABC, typically as a guideline, the C is going to be reaching equal to the A. So you can measure it here from this low, right? The 100% is $31.40. So it has not reached the 100%. So even if it is an ABC, it still has more upside. Now on top of that, if we do reach the 100%, most likely we will also break above this, right? This peak here, April 29, right? Now if we break above April 29 in the BAC, that will open up even bigger bigger rally, because then, okay, you will have this in which you label it, you can label it as a ABC if you want, ABC, and also ending W maybe, and this looks like a flat to me, ABC flat, right? So let's say this is W, this is an X, right? That means it can potentially go to 100% of this, at least, right? 100% of this. So if it breaks above April 29, it will open up even a bigger sequence to the upside, right? Even a bigger sequence on the upside. But for now, suffice to understand that any pullback, should continue to find buyers in 3711 swing. All right, and it should at the least target this $31.30 approximately. Okay, so again, if you enjoyed this video, please do like and subscribe, and also I'm providing the link to the 14 days free trial in the description of the video below if you like to try our service. Okay, so thank you very much and see you all again tomorrow. Have a nice day, everyone.